What is up YouTube, it's your boy Sydney Rider. Today I wanted to show you these sick pipes I got for my bike. If you remember, I bought the muffler separately. I did an unboxing video a couple of months back. I tried to install the muffler, I thought it was a slip-on, but as it turns out, the exhaust system on ER6 2016 models is a one piece. What that means, if you want a custom exhaust, you gotta replace the whole thing, including the manifold. After reading reviews on AliExpress and eBay, I was reluctant purchasing manifold from third parties. I almost gave up on the whole project. I didn't want to shell out close to $1,000 for a branded product. It's my first bike, I wanted a bit of sound, don't care about anything else really. I found this seller in Indonesia by accident while browsing Facebook. After reading their reviews and seeing their work, I decided to try them out. So here they are, finally arrived here in Australia. It took about 3 weeks to arrive, 2 weeks to make. So yes, these are fully custom, handmade, and all in all cost me just over 250 Australian dollars. So I'm stoked to say the least. Okay, let's install this and do the sound check. Let's go. So there you go guys, it was extremely easy to install. Initially I was thinking of taking my bike to a mechanic, but to be honest I would be just wasting his time. Couple of things to note, that thing is loud. I thought it will not need the baffle, but baffle stays. That's just ridiculous. Also the pipe is too close to my rear brake. Gotta do something about that, otherwise can't use my brakes to 100%. I did notice excessive scent of fumes at the front of the bike, which wasn't there before. I guess I need to consult my mechanic about that after all. All in all, I'm happy. Alright guys, I'm out until the next time. Gotta go out on the street, turn some heads with that pipe. Happy riding, peace.